Guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily uninstall Avira. Avira is known to be a very good antivirus. However, if you would like to uninstall it from a computer, then this video will show you how. First step, click on the Windows sign on your keyboard, or just click on the search tab and type control panel. You will need to click to open this control panel application. If you have a different view or different icons, sometimes it's large icons, sometimes it's small icons, then make sure to change it to category. Once done, click under programs, there is uninstall a program, click there. The next step, press on any letter on your keyboard and try to locate Avira. Since we have located Avira, double click on it. Windows will pop up with a window asking if you really want to allow the uninstall application to make changes to your device. You can click yes, and we will proceed. Next step, here we have two choices, repair or uninstall, so I should select uninstall. The installation process will start. It might take few seconds up to 5-6 minutes, not more than that, and then it should be completely uninstalled from your computer. You might be asked to reboot your computer. You can do that after saving your work so that all the changes takes effect. I will just pause the video here, and once the installation is done, I will show you the next window which will show. So guys, once the installation is finished, as you can see here, it says completed, and it's asking me to restart my computer in this blue button, and below later. So I'll just click later since I still want to work with my computer. Once you restart your computer, all the changes will take effect and all files will be removed related to Avira, and Avira will no longer be on your computer. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. Make sure to enable Windows protection after removing your antivirus so that you don't get problems later. And if you are still in need of help or assistance, leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest video. Thanks for watching.